Headlight Repair. Before sanding the headlight, clean the area to eliminate dust and contaminants. Begin by using a Norton A275 disc in grit P500 on a 76mm dual active sander. Once a noticeable difference has been achieved, replace the P500 disc with the P800 disc using a foam interface. For the next stage of sanding, wipe the headlight, dampen the surface and begin sanding with the Norton Ice 1500 grit disc. The headlight will become clearer and will then be ready to be sanded with the Norton Ice 3000 grit disc. To reduce polishing time, use Norton Liquid Ice Step 1 polishing compound and blue foam polishing head. The open structure of the foam retains the compound with little or no splattering. Use the polishing heads on a 76mm mini polisher. For best results, follow by using Liquid Ice Step 2 and begin sanding with the Norton Black Foam polishing head. Finally, wipe the headlight with Blue Magnet cloth. Blue Magnet is the ultimate performance cloth and can be used for dusting, drying, polishing and waxing. To complete the process, use Norton Liquid Ice Detailer Spray to eliminate any excess polishing residue and wipe clean with the Blue Magnet cloth.